Video that I will share with you will talk to you about perimeter. So it will be easy for you to understand about the perimeter. Okay. So understand what is a perimeter, and then you are going to draw a perimeter the way I tell you. Okay? Agreed? Take out your maths notebook, pencil, eraser, keep it ready. Okay? Shall I? Oh, Subhan kidhar gaya? Was he having problem in the previous lecture as well?
Yes, ma'am, he got disconnected 4-5 times.
Okay, I will start the video and I will send the video link to you later as well. So you can sit and check it up later too. Okay, shall I start? Are we ready? Ranveer, you don't have to fold your book to put it into maths and all that. Just leave. I just said take out your maths book and keep it ready. That's it. No putting date, nothing. Take out your maths book, keep a pencil on it, finish. Keep it aside. That's it. Okay. Now let me look to share this video with you. And then we will try to understand what is the meaning of a perimeter. Okay. Then I am going to ask you to do it. All right. Agreed? Shall I start? Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see the screen.
Can you see it now?
It's still, yes, now I can see it.
Yeah? Okay. Here I start the video. I'll keep you on mute. No noise that disturbs. Okay? Chalo. Let's watch the video now. Can you all hear it? You can't hear it? Oh, okay. 1 minute. Please tell me if you can hear it now. Ranveer, you still can't hear anything? That's strange. Vihan, you say you can hear it. Subhan, can you hear it?
You have stopped the video. How can I hear?
अरे before जब वो चल रहा था. Wait.
मैं लॉग आउट हो गया था.
Can you tell me if you can hear it now? That's strange. So wait. Wait a minute. Okay, let me just share it again and y'all check and let me know if you can hear it. Can you hear it now? Children, can y'all hear it? At least give me a thumbs up, yes or no. Vihan, how come you're saying yes? Huh? Y'all can hear me now? Let's start. Here.
finding perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a shape or the distance around something. To determine
What did she say? Perimeter is a distance around a shape. So if the shape is rectangular, it is the distance around the shape. Around means uske bahar se. Okay, that's perimeter. Distance around the shape.
perimeter, you can measure each side and then add them.
To find the perimeter, what do you need to do? Subhan, you please listen very carefully what is being spoken. Stop fiddling with that pencil or pen right now.
The distance around something. To determine perimeter, you can measure each side and then add them. Help me find the perimeter of this pasture. They've given us the two sides. They're each 6 yards. The top and the bottom are 10 yards each. So let's get started. 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 6 more is 22, plus 10 more is 32. So the perimeter is 32.
Did you all understand how she arrived at 32? Okay. What she's saying, Vihan and Subhan, listen carefully. There's no need to fiddle with anything in your hands right now. Sit up straight and pay attention. This one side is 6. Let us keep it as 6 feet. Okay. This one side is 10 feet. So if this is a rectangle, is this a rectangle or no? Or is this a square? Subhan, is this a rectangle or a square? This side is 6 and this side is 10. Rectangle है कि square है?
Square.
सुभान ये साइड 6 है, ये साइड 10 है, ये रेक्टेंगल है कि स्क्वायर है?
Rectangle.
तो फिर पहले स्क्वायर क्यों बोला?
Because it was looking like square.
Don't go by how it looks. Look at the measurement given. This is 6, this is 10. So if this is 10, Subhan, if this side is 10, Subhan, what is this side?
This side 32.
सुभान पे अटेंशन. अगर इस रेक्टेंगल का ये साइड 10 है तो ये साइड क्या है? ये साइड 32 हो जाएगा.
नहीं 10.
So if this side of a rectangle is 6, what is the measure of this side of a rectangle?
6.
Ranveer, would you like to pay attention to the class? You want to talk behind. No matter what disturbances happen around, you look here and keep your attention here. Nothing else will look to disturb you. Ranveer, this side of the rectangle is 26. What will be the measure of this side of the rectangle?
26.
Vihan, if this side of the rectangle is 20, what will be the measure of this side of the rectangle?
20.
Thank you. Okay, so on that, I'm going to continue with the video.
So the perimeter is 32. 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 10 is 32. Another way to take a shortcut might be to add 6 plus 10, which is 16, and then add 16 plus 16. It's just another way to determine that 32 is the perimeter. I need your help again. I'm building a pig pen. Can you help me with the perimeter? This is a triangular pig pen. Two sides measure 8 centimeters and one side measures 10 centimeters. So I add 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus 10 more, which is 26. Therefore, the perimeter is 26. 8 plus 8 plus 10 is 26. The next thing is an octagon. We're going to determine the perimeter of this octagon. Each side is 4 centimeters. So we're going to count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. We could also say 4 times 8 is 32. The perimeter of this shape is 32.
Are you all understanding what is being told in the video? Subhan, are you understanding what is the meaning of perimeter? Subhan, are you understanding the meaning of perimeter? It is nothing but, oh dear. It is nothing but adding all the sides. Every single side has to be added up. That is the perimeter.
Remember, perimeter is around the outside of a shape.
What is that? Perimeter is around the outside of a shape. Shape चाहे जो भी हो, उसका जो outside है, उसका total, उसका adding up. Adding each and every side of that shape will give you the answer for perimeter. Am I clear for you to understand? Everyone, am I clear for you to understand?
To find the perimeter, you add up all the sides. What is the perimeter of this shape? It's your turn and you can do it. Just add up all the sides and see if you get it right.
Chalo, quickly do it. In your mind, quickly add up all the sides and tell me the perimeter. Yes, Ranveer, what is the perimeter?
23.
23. Okay. Vihan, is it correct? Vihan?
24.
24. Okay. Subhan, which answer is correct? 23 or 24?
No.
Oops.
I said 26.
Oh, did you say 26? Okay. Subhan, which one is correct? 26, 23, 24? Which answer is correct? Le, he only went off the network. So, Vihan, what is the answer?
11.
Huh?
23.
23? Ranveer, what is the answer?
Yes, 23.
Okay, so Ranveer is
23.
23. 23 is correct?
Yes.
Subhan, what about you? What two-digit number do you have in the 20s? What is the perimeter?
23.
I can't hear you, honey. Can you just write it down on a paper and tell me what is it? Your voice is very
I
metallic.
said 23.
Did you say 23? Okay, I thought I heard that. Okay. So it is 23, very easy. We start from here. 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7. Simple, no?
23.
Perimeter is the total of all sides. Okay? Now, how will we add this up in a quick manner? Very simple. 7 plus 7, 14. Right? 5 plus 5 would be 10, but this is 4, so that's 9. Yes or no?
9.
Yeah? So 14 plus 10 is 24 minus 1 is 23. That's a quicker way to add it up. Ranveer, I saw you doing like this, like this, like this. You were so fast in your mental maths until we had the mental maths exam last month. And aaj kya ho gaya? You're counting 4 plus 7 on your fingers. What, should we go back to third standard? Counting single digits on our fingers?
Oh, that's right. That's the first.
Come on, kids. join together the common numbers. 7 plus 7, 7 twos are 14. 5 plus 5 is 10, minus 1 is 9. Okay? All right, let's listen to the video ahead now.
Thanks for listening and good luck.
What did she say? Good luck.
So this is SF6 molecule. 4 of the atoms means the fluorine atom, they are lying in the same plane.
1 minute, kids. Let me just pause that video. 1 moment. Let me just pause that video. Okay, cool. So how many of you understood meaning of perimeter? Samajh mein aaya? Okay. Now take out your maths notebook. Take out your maths notebook. Take out the pencil. Take out the maths notebook. Take out the pencil. Draw a cornered shape. Okay. Not a circle, not a wavy shape. Okay. We need a shape which has corners. You can choose whether, listen to me first, listen to the complete instruction before you start your work. How I said now, do it. Nahi, I have not said that yet, so wait. Make either a rectangle or a square or a pentagon or a hexagon, that's your choice. I want you to make a little farm, okay? Suppose you are the farmer. You have to make a little farm in which you can do some plowing. Have you all seen farms? What shapes are they usually? Vihan, what shapes are farms usually? Vihan, what shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. So you decide upon a farm, draw the shape, put the measurements that you want to it, and quickly let me know the perimeter of the farm. Let's see that fast. तुम्हारा farm है, तुम farmer हो, उसके अंदर गाय भैंस रखो, goats रखो, sheeps रखो, camels रखो या chicken रखो, it's up to you. Draw a farm and put measure to all sides of the farm. Okay, and let me know the perimeter of that farm. You have 2 minutes to do this. That's how quickly you need to do it. You have 2 minutes to do this. Vihan, a little faster will be nice. You have 2 minutes to do this.
I'm 22.
Depends
is
upon
my perimeter.
depends upon what is the sides you have given. Can you show me the sides you
Length.
have given?
1 minute.
Yeah, sure. Please let me know what you're writing it as, centimeters or millimeters or, okay. So you're writing 8383, all right. So how will you count this quickly? Yeah, 8 twos are 16, 3 twos are 6, 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6,
22.
correct. So what did you tell me your answer?
22 only.
Okay, all right. Okay, who else has completed it? Quickly show me.
Me.
Show. Let me see. What are the
Is not.
Vihan, I can only see the blank page. Move it down and bring it closer to the camera. Baby, hold it still. If you keep on shaking, how will I see? What is the measure you have given, Vihan? It's not coming out clear. Can you read out
5
the measure?
centimeter, 5 centimeter.
All sides are 5?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the perimeter?
5 centimeter plus 20 centimeter.
Thank you. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now, Vihan and Ranveer, since you've already finished, now you are going to draw your school's playground. You all have seen your school's playground, right? It is long and rectangular, right? So quickly draw your school's playground, put a measurement to it, and let me know what is the perimeter you put up. Open your mic, Subhan. Yes, yes, yes. Open your mic. I don't know why you're on.
Ma'am, my 28. My 28.
What is the sides that you have given?
6, 6, 8, 8.
But you are showing 6 sides. How can you only give a measure for 4 sides? तुमने 6 साइड दिया है तो सारे 6 साइड्स के मेजर होने चाहिए ना. तुमने 6 साइड्स बनाए लेकिन खाली 4 साइड्स के मेजर दिए. You need to give measurement to all the sides and then count all the sides.
28, ma'am. 28.
Show me what all have you put up.
Yes.
Ma'am, 36.
1 minute.
36.
Subhan, 1 minute. 10 plus 10 plus.
28.
Ranveer, what is the breadth size? I can't figure that out.
Ma'am, 4 centimeter.
4 centimeters. Okay, so 10 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay. So what is it? 28?
Yes.
Okay. So Subhan, okay, now I can see that you put some measure. Why have you put a measurement in the corner? कॉर्नर में मेजरमेंट कैसे आ सकता है? कॉर्नर तो एक डॉट है, उसका तो कोई मेजर नहीं होता है. The measure is always on the side. You have written 8 on a corner. That cannot be a measure.
But it is 36 total.
No. Depends upon how you are going to do it. You have made a hexagon.
I made a playground with 5 centimeter.
Again 5.
Playground with 60 centimeter.
So what is your total, Vihan?
School's playground now.
Subhan, this is your shape, right? This is your hexagon, correct? Subhan, everybody else be quiet, please. Everybody else be quiet, please. Everybody else quiet, please. Subhan, this is your shape, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. When you write a measure, the measure is for the side, not for a corner. So you will write the measure here. You'll always write the measure here.
Ma'am, see.
If this is how you want to measure it, you will write the measures here. You will not write the measure here. This is not the place to write the measurement. This is a point. Point का measure नहीं होता, ये तो हमने पिछले टर्म में पढ़ा था. Measure इस distance का होता है. किस चीज को हम measure करते हैं? We measure the distance, right? So distance को measure करना है, तो it is from one place to another place. उसका measurement होता है. इस point का measurement नहीं होता है. So please look at your figure, erase it from this point and write it in between the points because that's the distance you're looking to measure. And then tell me what is the total.
Ma'am, can we make another shape?
Yes, yes. Okay. Now what you're going to do is, Open your textbook. Subhan, please send me a picture of what you have drawn so I can correct it. We are little running out of time. Okay, Ranveer, Vihan, Subhan, open your textbook, go to page 221.
Yes.
Okay. Have you gone to page 221?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. On page 221, you will see this sum here. See, I'm showing it on the screen. Can you see this sum on page 221, the top one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. That is your homework for today. Page 221, exercise 15.1. उसमें जो 2 है, वो तुमको आज complete करना है. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes in it. Okay, there are 4 different shapes in it. You have to find the perimeter of all those shapes. That is your homework for today. Got it? समझा कि नहीं? समझा कि नहीं?
No,
That's good.
ma'am.
हाँ, all of
These
them,
one.
all the 4, yes. Okay,
Already I got homework.
all 4 shapes. You have to find me the perimeter of that. Okay, one more thing you have to do is on your page 220. Your page 220, you see this illustrative example here. You see
Yes.
this?
Yes.
It is very neatly described
Yes.
over here. How they have added, matlab shape चाहे जो भी हो, whatever is your shape really doesn't matter. Whatever is your shape really doesn't matter. You adding it up correctly without missing any of them is what is more important. Okay, so I want you all to read this well, read it well, understand it, and then go over to solve this sum. Okay, understood?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
ma'am, this
Ranveer.
illustrative examples I have done in 4th standard.
You've done in 4th standard. Arey wah. Then to this should be feeling like you're just eating a cake.
Yes, it
Yes.
is easy.
I liked it.
Okay.
I did in 4th standard when we were learning area.
Area. We will come to area. We'll come to area later. Maybe by next month we will reach area. Okay,
Elected
chalo.
connecting to height.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for your time today. An important topic of perimeter has been started today. Okay. Mensuration chapter we have started. Remember, mensuration is nothing but measurements. Okay. Measurements को add करते जाना है. It's very easy. Please children remember, numbers को देख के डरना नहीं है. सोचो. Remember we learned maths is a language. It's just that it's a language with numbers. Y'all are learning English. It's comfortable. Y'all are learning Hindi and Marathi. It is comfortable. They are also languages. Right?
Yes.
Maths is also a language. Subhan, remember,
Yes.
maths is a language, but you have to read it to understand it. And जब तक practice नहीं करोगे, कुछ नहीं आएगा. Okay? Please practice, practice, practice. Understood?
Yes.
Got it? Chalo. Take a break. Go get your snacks.